Turning on the Rosco Maximizer spray bar system starts with having enough air in the system. Usually you turn on your fast idle, which will be denoted here in the dashboard. You'll have your PTO on and your system powered up. As best as I can describe it, you will have your system on manual or auto depending on which way you're going to be applying. Here your selector is on off. If you're going to be spraying, spray bar circulate, or spraying, actually applying the material, you'll turn the knob to spray and you'll have your spray bar master in the on position. Then each one of these will turn on the individual 1 foot increments on the spray bar. So after all your system is on, you'll hit these when you're in motion to open up the physical solenoids on the back. So it's a procedure. My recommendation would be to go into the manual, but that's as easily as I could explain it.